which I thought was kind of weird. Like, nigga, you really got me doing powder. Oh, can I say that on YouTube? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 3 of the Valentine's Day series, and we are 3 days strong. We got 11 days left, 11 more looks to do. As y'all can see, today's look is giving grown, sexy. In my defense, yes, I did add rhinestones, but y'all will hear me say at the end of the video, obviously they're completely optional. I just gotta be extra. It's just in me. I just can't like not do it. But I do think the bottom lashes are definitely mandatory. That's just my opinion. But I went ahead and put down my base for my eyeshadow. And if y'all didn't see my first and second video, definitely go back and watch those, because part 2 has a breakdown, like a list breakdown and a description of what I'm using. My eye, I don't know what happened, but it's so red. I zoomed y'all in so y'all can see my eyes a little bit better. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set my base. Y'all, doing this series is making me remember how much I do not enjoy editing though. Like, I can sit here and record, but when it comes time for me to actually edit these videos, I be sitting at my computer finna cry. We're gonna take the Coffee Shop palette from Juvia's Place. I'm taking the dark brown. It's like the 3rd shade in this palette. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelids. And that's gonna be my transition shade. I'm about to add some eyeliner, just a little thin line. These are the same lashes. But I'm gonna try not to use the same lashes in all my videos, because I just love these lashes so bad. They just fit my eye shape so well, and I feel like they go with all my looks. I try to pull out some natural lashes too when I do my really like soft natural looks. I'm gonna talk to y'all while I do my face, because I got like a little quick, it's not really a life update but a current situation update, and I want to know if anybody else has like experienced this or not anybody else has experiencing it. So about a month ago, I developed like this random tickle in my throat that would not go away. So after I realized that it wasn't going away, because it happened like I think I had drank like some Gatorade, and I'm like, bro, like, am I having an allergic reaction or something? To my knowledge, I'm not allergic to anything. So I've never experienced an allergic reaction, but I know like a swelling tongue or like an itchy throat or itchy tongue, whatever. Like, I know those are all symptoms of an allergic reaction. Obviously, like when your throat itches, you cough, right? So it did start with just a little simple itch, and it wasn't bad. But like I said, it became like more consistent, and it wasn't going away, which led to me coughing. Mind you, I have asthma, so already like when we cough, people with asthma cough, it's already like coming from your chest, like it's bad. It's deep. I don't even know, I'm trying to talk so much because I already can't breathe. The itch continues, so I decided to go to urgent care, because I mean, it was just the most convenient for me at the moment. So I went to urgent care, and they tested me for COVID, flu, and they tested me for something else. It wasn't strep, but they tested me for something else. COVID, flu, something else. Listen to my lungs, said my lungs sound fine. Mind you, this cough like was really bad over time. It was keeping me up at night. I would literally be coughing so bad and like so hard to the point it's making my chest hurt. My back is hurting from like me, you know, like jerking or whatever. And it's just really bad, uncomfortable, and like one cough and my throat is itchy and it's like not going away. And it got so bad to the point, so it's probably TMI, but it got so bad to the point so where I was literally like throwing up, because I was just coughing that hard. So I realized that the cough syrup the urgent care doctor gave me wasn't working. I decided to go to my PCP, because I mean, what other option do I have at this point? Like, I might as well go see my actual doctor. Oh, and I forgot to mention another symptom I had. Like, my chest felt very heavy, like it was something sitting on my chest, which is how I felt when I had COVID a couple years ago. So I was very concerned, but like I said, I got tested for COVID and that was negative. Ended up going to my PCP. He gave me an antibiotic, he gave me some pills for cough, and when I took the antibiotic, I woke up feeling like a brand new person the next day. I didn't realize how bad I couldn't breathe until I could actually breathe again. Long story short, after I finished the antibiotics, maybe 2 or 3 days after, the cough came back. Like, the cough never fully went away, but it was much better. Like, it wasn't to the point I was hurting. I wasn't really staying up at night. Like, I was at least able to sleep. I'm out of breath now. Having asthma is not for the weak, literally. I was good for a few days, and then this cough comes back and it's bad again. Any little thing was causing like a tickle in the back of my throat. Anything I took for a cough didn't work. Mind you, before I went to the doctor, I took hella over-the-counter medicine. Like I tried all type of stuff and nothing was working. Like nothing was working. I reached back out to my doctor and I was like, hey, I was good for a few days, but now my cough is back and I'm not really sure what to do. Gave me a refill on my inhaler. He gave me like some powder inhaler, which I thought was kind of weird. Like, nigga, you really got me doing powder. Oh, can I say that on YouTube? He gave me another antibiotic to try that was a little bit longer. So I think the first one might have been like 5 days. This one might have been like 10. So I'm taking this antibiotic, and like on day 2, I just started throwing like TMI. But I'm just really nauseous. I'm gonna say that. Super nauseous. Like, you would thought I was pregnant the way I was. When I do this, that just means, because I don't want to keep saying that because a lot of people don't like that word. I don't even like that word. At first, I'm like, bro, like, what is wrong with me? And I knew I wasn't pregnant because who? So I knew that wasn't even an option. Because who? At this point, I'm going to call my mama crying. And I'm like, Mom, I think I'm finna go to the ER because I don't know what's wrong and I'm just tired of throwing up. Mind you, like I said, having asthma, the cough already hurts. My chest hurt, my back hurt. Now my throat is burning, it's itching. I'm still coughing. Now I got a headache. Like, I'm just like, okay, I'm finna go to the ER. So she was like, Kirsten, you may not want to go to the ER because, you know, the ERs sometimes have you waiting for a long time. It be people in there that really be sick, and you may not want to expose yourself to those germs. And so I decided not to go. I think in that moment I was just kind of panicking and I was kind of scared because I'm like, nigga, what's wrong? Like, what? Because I don't really get sick for real. Like, the most I would get is like a head cold, but other than that, like, I don't really get sick. I have had, like I said, I had COVID before. I had the flu. I did have the flu the year I did not get a flu shot. But other than that, like, I don't really get sick for real. Like, that's the first time I ever had the flu. So I don't really get sick. And anything that's like really attacking my respiratory system is obviously very concerning. But mama like kind of talked to me a little bit and helped me calm down, because I'm definitely still, at the end of the day, like, I'm still gonna call my mama. I'm still gonna call my mama. I don't care how old I am, I'm calling my mama. So yeah, throughout this entire process, I never had a fever. The next day, I reached back out to my PCP and was like, hey, you know, that medicine is like making me nauseous. And my sister was like, what are you eating? And that morning I actually did not eat before I took the medicine, which is probably why it upset my stomach so bad. But I was just so paranoid, I didn't even want to try to take it no more. So I instantly reached back out to my doctor, asked them to send me something else. They sent that, finished that. Cool. The cough goes away again for a little bit, but then it comes back again. At this point, I'm really just exhausted and tired. So I reached back out to my doctor to let them know, hey, I finished the antibiotics. And he was like, well, are you taking the inhalers that I gave you? And I'm like, yeah, I am, but they aren't really doing anything. Like, nothing, literally, when I tell y'all nothing I was doing for my cough, the only thing that helped with my cough was Mucinex cough drops. It was kind of numbing my throat a little bit, which I think was why I wasn't coughing as much, because it wasn't itching as bad. Reached back out to my doctor again, and they were like, yep, at this point you might need a chest x-ray, which I was kind of annoyed with because I felt like I needed a chest x-ray from the beginning. And it's probably my fault, because I should have just, like, I guess, spoken up for myself and said, hey, like, let's do a chest x-ray to be on the safe side. But I didn't, because I got 2 doctors' opinions and both of them told me my lungs sound fine. I'm hoping it's nothing serious, but it has been over a month. On top of all of that I just told y'all, the fact I still don't know what's wrong, I fell down the steps and sprained my ankle. Yup, sure did. It's not a bad sprain, but still, I can't believe I did that. I was at a little concert or whatever. There was carpet on the steps, so when I was leaving, I guess I just took the wrong, not good step, and I fell. I had on like 5-inch heels, but they were platforms, and I was so mad at myself because I felt so cute. And I'm like, bro, you really can't walk on a platform, be for real. That's that. And the doctor was like, I need to stay off of it, which I know I do. So now I'm walking around here, can't breathe, and sprained ankle. Gots to love it here. Hope everything's going pretty good for y'all, minus all the craziness that's going on in the world. To get this that really grown, sexy look, I'm gonna smoke this black out. I don't want to bring it down too far, but I do want it smudged out. I'm gonna add some mascara, and we're gonna do bottom lashes today, like add some bottom lashes, but I should do my mascara first because I like my real lashes to blend in really good. My bottom lashes, I'm convinced they're way longer than my top ones. Okay, are we feeling the lashes? Oh, my mic is not on. So I was just kidding. If I it's giving like date night, or is it giving spider? Oh no, I kind of like it, but I also really like dramatic lashes. Anyway, let me stop. I'm gonna take some red blush. Of course, we gotta do red today. Before I do my lips, I'm gonna pop a really like light white highlighter right here in the center of my eye. For lips, we're gonna line with Morphe in the shade Trendsetter. Then for the actual lip color, I'm going to use Ruby Woo. Low key want to add my pearls. I want to add the pearls so bad. You can definitely stop here if you want to. By the way, I will be taking like, I guess, color requests, or like if there's a certain look you want to see me create, please let me know because I definitely need some inspo. Thank y'all so much for making it to day 3 with me. I'm still so in shock that I have 11 more looks to do, but I'm gonna stay strong and I'm gonna do it for y'all, for me, because this is definitely therapeutic for me. I miss sitting in front of this camera, and I just miss playing in makeup, doing my makeup, because I haven't done my makeup in so long. I really don't even wear makeup anymore. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow, hopefully in day 4.